Hey, what's up, y'all? Classic Kev back with another episode. Honestly, probably the most important episode yet. All right, y'all. Remember the Chillin Chameleons NFT project I invested in? You know, the project that's saving the chameleons? No, I'm just kidding. They're actually they're cleaning the beaches of Hawaii, the coral reefs, cleaning the plastic out of the ocean. Amazing project, guys. Probably one of my favorite NFT projects I'm currently invested in. Well, if you're a holder of this, you know, you got yourself a little Christmas present because they tweeted this. The turtles are here, mintseaturtles.com. 2 weeks to claim for all holders. So, y'all, they're doing an airdrop of these sea turtles. And if you're a holder, you get one per wallet, not one. You know, I have like 4 chameleons, so I'm only getting one, guys. But that's good. That's good because it makes these more rare because a lot of people hold multiple chameleons. So, guys, what you're going to want to do is go to mintseaturtles.com. You just connect your wallet. Now, you will have to pay gas fees. I think I paid like $50, but guys, you know, it is what it is. That's how early we are in this NFT world, that these ridiculous transaction fees, because, yo, there's so many people on the network, right? And the network it's not scaled yet for the amount of people that's coming in, and more are coming. So just be patient, y'all, but trust me, you know, I've seen people say that they minted it for around $15, $20, so, you know, just look into that and, you know, go ahead and mint it because, guys, this is going to be worth a lot. Now, this is mine. Oh, man. All right, as you can see, it hasn't been revealed yet. Now, so what that's telling me, y'all, is that the fact that it hasn't been revealed yet is that there will be rare ones. So there's a chance you could get a rare sea turtle. Now, the floor is currently around $400. So if you want, you could sell your, you know, like a scratch off ticket. You could sell yours unrevealed yet, you know, somebody's buying the chance to get the rare one. So I won't be doing that, but if you want to, the floor is like $400 now. I'm very curious to see what the floor of these when they're actually revealed. Now, even when they are revealed, I'm still not going to be selling mine, y'all, because you know, Darren and Kel and the rest of the Chillin Chameleons team, they have talked about their roadmap, and, you know, they are looking long term for this project. So I want you to think about this, y'all. I'm watching some of these other NFT projects, you know, like the Bored Ape Yacht Club, I think, is one where you can combine 2 NFTs to get, you know, a lot of times they receive like residual income or passive income off the NFT, or they combine the NFT and it makes a baby or something. I know it's wild. That's how wild these NFTs are. So I don't know exactly what the Chillin Chameleons guys roadmap is for this and what the future real world use case is for these turtles, but it does seem to me they put a lot of effort into this drop, and because of the created scarcity, right? By just sending it to one per holder. I think they got something big up their sleeves, y'all. So not financial advice. Hey, if you need the money, go ahead and sell it, or, you know, do what you got to do. But I'm going to hang on to mine, y'all, because this is a project I'm definitely really excited for in the future. And I think that we're going to be pleasantly surprised with their roadmap and what is going to happen when you combine this sea turtle with your Chillin Chameleon. So anyway, y'all, let me know, are you getting a sea turtle? Did you get one? What are you planning to do with it? Are you going to sell it? Or what are your ideas that the team should use, you know, for future utility? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, y'all, I'm Classic Kev. I'm out. Peace.